Okay, so I'm currently on the Symfony index page. That's symfony.com. Just enter Symfony PHP and you should be here. So, what is Symfony? Well, Symfony is a PHP framework, one of the most advanced frameworks, if not the most advanced. It uses like I would say the best of the best in PHP. Like it uses the best standards, it uses the best practices, which is the same, and it's just a pleasure to work with it once you grasp it. And there is a learning curve involved, but I'm gonna help you get through it. So in this tutorial, I will help you build a framework from Symfony components. And with that knowledge, you can basically develop basic apps with Symfony. There is already a a course on this, yeah, so but we will make it something more special. Okay, so to give you a better idea of Symfony, here are some of the projects that are using Symfony. That's Drupal, Joomla, Magento, and the rest. Yeah, there's really a lot of frameworks and a lot of CMSs that use Symfony. Laravel is one of them. Laravel uses Symfony extensively, like it's built on Symfony mostly. I mean, for me personally, I think that Laravel is like abstracted Symfony, like for beginner users to get in and do the work and do it fast. But Symfony is the king, like Symfony framework, I think it's the best. But in this tutorial, I think it's the best thing to do is to build a PHP framework from Symfony components. And that is what we are going to do. So thank you for joining me.